my loves, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. As you can see, this is gonna be an unboxing video of my first ever Gucci bag. Every year around my birthday, I have been buying a designer bag from the past 4 years. This is gonna be my 4th year, and this year I did not go with LV. पिछले 3 bags LV से ही थे, and this year I have gone in with Gucci. Clearly, in this video I'm gonna take you shopping with me. We will also be unboxing what bag I got. I will also be sharing with you all why I got this bag, the price of the bag, and what fits in the bag, and of course how it looks on me. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. This year I definitely wanted to go to Gucci and buy a bag from there. To be very honest, I was very clear on the bag that I wanted, but I was not sure on the size and the colors. They had some really pretty basic colors, but at the same time my heart was drawn towards the burgundy one. I was actually very confused between the sizes. Before we get into the unboxing, सबसे पहले तो a huge shout out to Sanjay. He was just amazing, okay? I had the most wonderful time at Gucci. He gave me time, space to just decide on what bag I wanted. The whole experience, I think so, I was in Gucci for about an hour, I want to say, and he made me try a lot of different bags also. I was hellbent on a particular style, but then he was like, ye bhi try kar lo, ye bhi dekh lo. I just had the most beautiful and just very comfortable, easygoing experience at Gucci. So that is something that I definitely wanted to mention over here. Now let's move on to the fun part, which is unboxing the bag. Is pe na light reflect kare, so I don't want to mess the bag, okay? Because this also serves as a decor purpose in this video. Gucci की festive packaging इस वक्त चली हुई है on some bags. I definitely asked him कि आपको festive packaging है, and he gave me that. Burgundy has been everywhere, and that is the festive packaging of Gucci. Now let me show you what I got. Gucci की पहले green color की packaging थी, but now I think so they've shifted it to more of a like a grayish tone because he gave me the festive packaging. तो box भी festive ही मिला है, and this is how the box looks like. Let me just open the bag. Okay, let's open the box. So this is how it came like. This is the newer dust bag with these booklets, and this is the bag ka price. Actually bill alag se hoga, but this is the price of the bag, which I will get into once I show the bag. One thing I want to mention about ये box art, I know it's very hard to store these boxes, but you also don't want to throw it away. So ये सारे boxes actually collapse हो जाते हैं. I don't have a space in my closet जहाँ पे I can display them. Otherwise I would have loved to, you know, top shelf पे सारे display करके रखती. अगर आपके पास जगह नहीं है, मेरे पास भी I like to just store the boxes, तो they actually ये collapse हो जाते हैं boxes, which I feel is great. So now I'm just gonna show you how to do that. Box इस तरह से है, and you can just open it. थोड़ा सा glue से चिपका हुआ था, but you can just fold this, and now store your box like this. Now in the future, if you want to sell your bags, okay, you bored of it, or you just want to sell your bag for whatever reason, if you have the box and ये सारी चीजें, it definitely is more helpful. If you have your boxes lying around and you want to, you know, collapse them, collapse हो जाएंगे. Okay guys, now let's move on to the fun part, which is unboxing of this bag. If you watch my videos closely, you might have already seen it because I wore it on my birthday. So basically for this video, I had to repack it and all of that. But I wanted to do like a proper unboxing. But I have been using this bag. I've worn it twice ever since I've gotten it. Okay, so this is the bag that I got. Okay, this is the classic Gucci marmont bag. This bag is from the marmont range, and ये आ जाता है उनका size small. I don't know how they've named their bag, because this definitely is a medium size bag, but they call it the small marmont GG classic flap. Okay, this is a small. इससे 2 sizes कम भी आते हैं, which is a mini and a super mini. The super mini is one of those tiny bags that you must have seen around the internet. Then उससे एक size ऊपर आता है, that I tried actually. I honestly loved how that bag was looking, and उसमें burgundy color तो बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहा था, to be very honest. That is a perfect crossbody bag. If you like your bags crossbody, that bag is stunning. But the reason I went with this bag is एक तो price difference ज़्यादा नहीं था. Secondly, this on my body looks stunning as a shoulder bag. I wanted a bag which is very ladylike, and this is just like as ladylike as it can get. My dream bag, as I'm pretty sure girls who are into designer handbags, unka bhi dream bag ye hoga, is the Chanel Classic flap. Okay, I love that bag. That bag is definitely a dream bag, but that bag is also over 10 lakh rupees. Okay, and this is like uske aadhe ka bhi aadha. This bag came out in 2016, and I remember back in the day when this bag came out, my heart was set on this bag because I just thought this is the most beautiful classy bag ever. 2016 में जब ये bag आया था, this went viral and everybody wanted the Gucci belt and this bag, and with time, you know how fashion is, with time this went out of style. People who are into designer bags, they will not recommend this bag because they're like, this is so 2016. But for me, I want a very curated handbag collection. It's not like I'm buying tons of designer bag. It's like one bag a year. So I definitely want to have more of a curated collection when it comes to my handbag. And ये trend में हो या ना हो, I think so. I have loved this bag ever since it came out. If you guys have seen me for a while, you guys know कि initially I wanted this in the black, then I was obsessed with this in white. White में ये बैग इतना सुंदर लगता है, but जो इसका प्राइस है, I was like white में वो जल्दी dirty हो जाएगा, and then मुझे ना दर्द होगा. उनके पास भी मैंने ये white में देखा है ना, I'm just like, this is so pretty. But then last year I got my Tory Burch का bag in the cream shade. तो मेरी ना white की वो satisfaction उस bag से पूरी हो चुकी है. Like if I want a white bag, I go with that bag. So when I was in store, I was torn between this and the burgundy shade. The burgundy was beautiful. पहले सोची थी burgundy ले लेती हूँ, but then I was like, you know what? It's a trend. What if after like few years I don't like it, whereas black is more classic. Number two, burgundy में जो hardware था ना, that was sort of not exactly silver but not exactly gold also, somewhere in the middle, but वो shade थोड़ा सा silver की तरफ दे रहा था. Clearly I'm a gold girly, so then I was like, यार, you know, I love the color but इसकी hardware is not gold. अगर वो gold होता, maybe I would have still considered it. Burgundy मुझे mini size में अच्छा लग रहा था, small में burgundy मुझे थोड़ा ज़्यादा बड़ा लग रहा था. At the end I was like, you know what, let me just go in with the classic design. If I talk about the bag, this bag has gold hardware, but this is not shiny gold, it's more of a rustic gold. Okay, if I bring the bag closer, this is how it looks like. It has a chevron pattern in the front, which I absolutely love, and a lot of people don't like it, but I don't see why would you not like it. It's a heart. Okay, बैग में यहाँ पे एक प्यारा सा हार्ट बना हुआ है, which I think so is cute. पीछे एक पॉकेट होता, this would have just been like perfect, but पीछे कोई पॉकेट नहीं है. Okay, this is how it looks like. Now you can't open the bag like this. नीचे ना एक बटन है यहाँ पे. I don't know how well can you see. Once you press this button, ये बैग खुल जाता है. Okay, so this is how the inside of the bag looks like. इसके अंदर पेपर है, तो मैं निकाल देती हूँ. This is how the inside of the bag looks like. It's just one compartment and एक zipper pocket इसमें है. I want to point out few things about this bag. Okay, this bag is थोड़ा सा squishy. Okay, it's not a fully structured bag. Like can you see? ये अच्छे से ऐसे squish हो जाता है. Because ये bag थोड़ा squishy है, तो उसके pros and cons है. Pros ये है कि आप इसमें ज़्यादा सामान डाल सकते हो. You can stretch it out on the days जब you know थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा सामान है. That is great for that. But having said that, because इसका कोई structure नहीं है, so with time ना ये बैग थोड़ा flatten होने लग जाता है. यहाँ से flatten होने लग जाएगा या यहाँ से. At the end of the day, it also depends on how you take care of your things, right? I've seen people who have beaten this bag up. I've seen people after like 7 years, their bag is still in pristine condition. I definitely aim to keep this bag in pristine condition as much as I can. तो ये details बतानी थी मुझे बैग के बारे में. नीचे इसमें कोई feet नहीं है. So there's no feet at the bottom. This quilting effect is honestly very very cute. Inside जो lining है, I don't think so it's real suede. It's microfiber lining. Chain adjustable है, so you can definitely wear it on your shoulder like this. ऐसे काफी लंबा है to be very honest on me, but this crossbody will look stunning. This as a shoulder bag will also look beautiful. Like I'll also show you ये पूरा तरह से पहन के, so don't worry. Overall, I'm very happy with my purchase. बस अभी तक एक भी black designer bag nahi tha, so this is my first and I'm very happy that it is this one because I've loved this bag for years. Another reason why I went with the black color is again it will go with everything. Okay, I can wear it with my suits, तो Indian outfits के साथ भी अच्छा लगेगा, but like with my cool outfits it will also look nice. Something chic में भी अच्छा लगेगा, नाइट टाइम पे भी अच्छा लगेगा, डे टाइम पे भी अच्छा लगेगा. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, ये बैग आई जस्ट फील दैट गोल्ड एंड ब्लैक इज अ क्लासिक कलर कॉम्बिनेशन. दिस गोल्ड इज नॉट टू मच इनटू योर फेस, which I also like in this bag particularly. I would say out of all of my bags, this is a very feminine bag and I love it. Now I'm going to show you everything that fits in this bag. The first thing that I'm going to pop in is a full size wallet. To be very honest, with this bag I would prefer a card holder, but a full size wallet also fits in this bag perfectly. Thing that I always have with me is like a tiny pouch जिसमें I just like to keep in essentials. So इसमें मेरा tissue है, sanitizer है, छोटा सा powder है, hair tie है, safety pin hai, missing hai, but I also like to keep in mini lipstick and a pair of extra earrings. So this will fit in aram se. I can also pop in a 50 ml perfume in here. Car keys, lip products. By the way, this is my lip combination for the day if you're wondering. Your lip tint in the shade Natural Nude and a MAC Plum outline karke. Okay, so this also pops in very nicely. This is how the bag looks like right now. I can definitely pop in something over here on the side, but top pe I will just pop in my glasses, and this is how the bag looks like. अच्छे से बंद हो जाता है, okay, and it's not too heavy. Everything that I need on the go definitely fits in this bag. I am super happy with this bag. Now let's talk about the price of the bag, because I know this bag is something that is so chic, so classy, and if you're into bags, you might have this in your wish list. So this bag right now in January 2025 retails for 2,18,000 rupees. So almost 220 का ये bag है, जो इससे एक size छोटा आ रहा था, which was a mini size, not the super mini size. That was for 2,08,000. तो उस बैग में और इस साइज में, मतलब उस साइज में इस साइज में 10,000 का ही डिफरेंस था. So I went in with a bigger size so that you know this can be more for an everyday purpose. I am a through and through छोटू bag lover, but because this is an expensive bag, I thought let's go with a medium size, जिसमें even if I want to carry stuff, I can put in the stuff. I'm just going to show you how this bag looks like, because this bag looks so chic. You will just see me wearing this bag a lot now. Hey guys, now I'm going to show you how this bag looks like. This is how this bag looks like on me. This bag honestly is just so pretty. And you can definitely wear it crossbody also. If I just have to keep the chain down, how it looks on me. Definitely will not wear the bag like this, to be very honest. There you go. This is how this bag looks like on me. Definitely super chic. You guys let me know, as always, in the comments below, how did you find this bag? I love this bag. Okay, I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. आपको इस video से कुछ information मिली हो if you're looking to buy into bag, or if you just love watching unboxing videos. I really hope that you all enjoyed this video. On that note, I'm gonna go for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Before going, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, kindly watch my other videos. If you like the vibe, consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you back for more videos. I'm gonna see you now tomorrow with a brand new video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.